All right, y'all. We are on the 7th floor of the Marriott Hotel in Newport, Rhode Island. We have a very cool atrium with some pretty cool glass elevators as well. But with that said, I am actually staying here tonight. And so I'm going to show you all my room here. There's the aquarium and there's the main street. It's not every day you get to experience being on the top floor of a hotel. These hallways are super nice and fresh. All right, so with that said, tonight we are in room 723. So let's go. So let's see what we have. We have the hotel laws of Rhode Island. And then we have the evacuation map here. It's actually quite a big hotel. Now, security features, we have this, not my favorite. Then we got the deadbolt, the do not disturb tag. Briefly come in here and check out the bathroom. Hey there. Very nice and modern bathroom. So let's get a look at around here. We have the makeup mirror. Looks like it has a light as well. We have 2 water glasses, bar soap and body lotion, tissues. We have what looks to be, okay, whatever it is, I cannot get it out of here. Well, whatever that is. Okay, then we got the sink. Wonder how long it takes for the warm water to heat up. Oh, that heated up really fast. Wow. Okay. So water heater's nice and fast. We got plenty of towels down here and some washcloths and hand towels and a trash can. We got extra toilet paper. Here's the toilet. Looks like it'd be cleaned a little better. Toilet paper. Get a look at the shower. Oh, that towel just fell. Whoops. We have 2 shower nozzles, or just one, sorry. But we have one of these. I do like that. Very nice and spacious, and it comes with shower gel, conditioner, and shampoo. Water control is over here. It's a handicapped, I guess, handle. Pretty nice bathroom. It does have a hairdryer. And then in here we have what looks like a closet. It has a safe. It's got an iron. This looks like a robe. Pretty good amount of hangers. It does have an umbrella. There's the suitcase rack. Here's the ironing board. I do like how they provide an umbrella. That's really nice. But then we have the rest of the room itself. We have a 2 queen layout. And I'm liking the vibe of this place. It's very beachy feeling. I mean, Newport is a waterfront town, so I kind of expect that. The heat looks to be off, so we'll have to change that. It is pretty cold outside. But by the beds, you've got some reading lights. I'll come over and look at the nightstand. Very nice lamp right here. We have the phone, alarm clock. This has the Holy Bible, Book of Mormon, and a notepad and pen. Some more reading lights. We have a desk over here, which comes with 2 complimentary water bottles, the ice container, 2 more glasses, some pretty good-sized drawers, recycling and trash, nice-looking chair. I believe this is a mini fridge. Yes, it is. Adequately sized. We have coffee making stuff, coffee cups, creamer, sugar, lids. We have a Keurig, TV remote, another lamp. Oh, that's nice. Very nice and large desk, I will give him that. Got a pretty big LG flat screen TV. Looking very nice. A giant standing mirror right here as well. Howdy. And then we actually have a balcony to look at. This door is a little heavy. It has 2 very nice chairs and a coffee table. And a very nice view of this atrium. And it looks like they're actively renovating some of the rooms. All around, this is a very nice patio. We got curtains. It looks like we have blackout curtains too. So that's nice. Lamp. Now I'm going to take off my shoes because we're going to test the comfiness of the beds. Mattress is firm. Pillow's nice and soft. Pretty good bed. And then there's the cleanliness test. Is there hair? Is the best question to ask. Right offhand, I do not see any hair. So that's a good sign. These beds are very nice. I really like them so far. It looks like this is a connecting room, so it has a connecting door. But all around, I mean, so far I'm pretty impressed with this room. I like the beachy feel to it. Definitely gives off the vibes of what Newport has to offer. I do like the atrium. That's a plus. But all around cleanliness, I'm not seeing anything wrong with this room. It's very nice. And the bathroom, it's a little small, but it works. But all around first impressions, I'm liking this room. So I think I've covered just about everything in this room. So if you find yourself in Newport, this is a pretty good property to stay at. It's freshly renovated, super modern now. And these rooms are definitely a step up. But I think I've covered just about everything here. So thank you all for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. It's free and you can always change your mind later. But until next time, bye y'all.